There is no other field that you can see a result of your work as fast, and you work on such a wide variety of projects as 3D printing. So when I attended Northern Virginia Community College, there was a small 3D printing lab there. And I just happened to walk by and see a little post-it note saying they're hiring and no previous experience required. So I jumped on that opportunity and met with the director of the lab, Lawrence Nightingale. This particular project, he delegated it to me to actually supervise the printer and choose the Braille learning aid and design them. This particular piece, it's just a topographic map of Virginia. I gave an identical copy of this to a visually impaired girl, and just for her to be able to feel the ridges, to kind of explore the mountains with her fingertip, it just meant just as much as for any of us would to take a road trip there and visually see it. So it's just seeing all that excitement on her face, all that experience she had with something as simple as this. It was really touching at that moment. So that's when I realized I want to use 3D printing to help people with disabilities.